हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम साइंस क्यूरियोसिटी बुक का क्लास 8 का चैप्टर 4 इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मैग्नेट्स एंड हीटिंग इफेक्ट्स का चैप्टर शुरू होने वाले हैं। तो चलिए इसका रीडिंग करते हैं। पहले तो इस पेज से शुरू है, यहाँ से चलिए शुरू करते हैं रीडिंग करने। It was the day of the science exhibition and school was buzzing with energy. Mohan, Mohini and Akash, along with their friends, went from one exhibit to another, eagerly exploring different models, asking questions, and taking notes. One simple model really fascinated them. It was a working model electromagnetic which is designed by engineer Samantha in it instead of like a physical typical crane. There was an iron nail bolt in a well which was connected to a bravery when Samantha holds the circuit. The nail picked up iron paper inclination like a magnet. When she opened the circuit, the fell off. The Mohini and Agas were surprised, and they remembered learning earlier in the chapter explaining magnetic curiosity and learning earlier in the chapter explaining magnetic curiosity that iron was a magnetic material, but as Samantha model there was no magnet, only and electric circuits. They were so excited that they wanted to try out it out themselves. यहाँ पर एक एक्टिविटी है, इसको छोड़ते हैं अभी। You may have noticed that when current flows, the compass needle gets deflected iron from its original direction. When current stops, the needle returns to its original position direction. As we have learned earlier in the chapter exploring magnets in curiosity, gravity, the compass as needle is a tiny, tiny magnet which deflected with when a magnet brought near it, and these can act through captain between but deflect can act through the non-magnetic material kept in between. But why does the compass needle deflect when current flows through the wire? The deflection indicates that current carrying wire has a magnetic effect on the compass needle. When current stops, the magnetic effect disappears, and the compass return to its original direction. The region around magnet or current carrying where its magnetic effect can be felt, such as by deflection of a compass needle. It is said to have a magnetic field. When electric current flows through a conductor like where heat produces a magnetic field around it, this phenomenon is known as the magnetic effect of electric current. In the magnetic field appears when the current stops flowing. The magnetic effect of an electric current has many practical appliances, such as in devices like electric bells, motors, fan, loudspeaker and more. यहाँ पर एक फिर से एक एक्टिविटी है, छोड़ो इसको। It observed that when current is passed through the cylindrical coil, it behaves like a magnet, and deflate the needle of the magnetic compass. When an iron nail is inserted in the core of the coil, within the coil becomes a stronger magnet, and the deflection of the magnetic compass needle is much more. It also attracts iron clips when the current is stopped. The cylindrical coil loses its magnetic effect in a current carrying coil that behaves as a magnet is called an electromagnet. For practical appliances, most electromagnets have an iron core to make them stronger. जैसा यहाँ पर फिर से एक्टिविटी है, यहाँ पर है तो छोड़ो इसको। यहाँ पर भी एक्टिविटी चल रही है। Lifting electromagnet. Lifting electromagnet are strong electromagnet that may be hung to the tense crane. Operator op, uh, can control the magnet by switching the current on or off. When the current is turned on, the electromagnet lifts the iron steel object. When the current is off, the magnetic field appears and objects are released. Lifting electromagnets are widely used in factories and scrapyards to move, lift, and sort heavy metal items efficiently. You may have observed that in a chrome wire filled when current is passed through it. This happens because when electric current flows through any conductor, it faces some opposition or resistance to its flow. Different conductors offer in different levels of resistance to the flow of current. In a nickel wire, for example, offers high resistance compared to copper wire of the same size and length. This resistance causes some of the electrical energy to be converted into heat energy. When electric current passes through a conductor, it gets heated. This movement is known as the heating effect of electric current. In grade we have learned grade 7 we have learned that an decent lamp glows because its filament is heated by electric current. Many household appliances such as electric room heaters, stoves, iron immersion tub, water heaters, kettles, and hair dryers work on the same principle of the heating effect of electric current. All these devices contain a rod or a coil of wire called a heating element. These in some appliances where this element is visible, it is convection blown red hot. The heating effect of the electric current is used in many in everyday appliances, but sometimes it ca- can cause problems like energy loss of inverts and through transmission. Overheating in appliances may cause damage into plugs and sockets where plastic parts may melt or even lead to fires in household circuits. There are safety devices placed in the circuit to minimize such incidents. Let us start one of the earliest types of electric cells ever made. A voltaic cell is also known as galvanic cell is shown in figure 4.7. It contains two metal plates made of different made of different material and a liquid called electrolyte placed in the glass or in plastic container. The plates called electrodes are partly dipped in the electrolyte, which is usually a weak acid or a salt solution. A chemical reaction between the plates and electrolyte produce electricity. When the circuit is connected, electric current flows from the positive terminal through the circuit to negative terminal. Over time, the chemical get used up and the cell stops working. It is called dead and cannot supply any more electricity. यहाँ पर भी एक्टिविटी है तो इसको छोड़ते हैं। चलिए यहाँ पर है a glowing LED indicates that your cell is working in this cell. A metal electrode the copper bars and the iron nails. The electrolyte is the lemon juice which helps conduct electricity. You might also use salt solution instead of lemon juice. Dry cells. Volcanic cells were important discovery, but they are not convenient for everyday use. Instead, dry cells are one of most widely used electric cells today. They are called dry because the electrolyte is not a liquid but a thick moist paste. The structure of a dry cell is shown in Figure 4.9. It consists of a zinc container which acts as a negative terminal and a carbon rod at the center covered with a metal cap that acts as a positive terminal. The carbon dot is surrounded by paste like electrolyte. The dry cell is a single cell used, meaning one of its used has to be disposed of for several applications. Rechargeable batteries is increasingly used now. Rechargeable batteries can be recharged and used multiple times. This prevents wastage and save money over time as well. हमारे चैप्टर यहीं पर ख़त्म होता है। यहाँ पर कीप क्यूरियोसिटी अलाइव है, इसको छोड़ते हैं। लास्ट में एक ये चीज़ बचा हुआ है, इसको पढ़ लेते हैं। डिस्कवर, डिज़ाइन एंड डिबेट। Make coils of turns 25, 50, 75 and 100. Connect them to the same cell one by one. Note the deflection in the magnetic compass placed in the same position in all cases. Report your observation. Draw a conclusion of the effect of number of turns of the coil on the strength of the electromagnet. May take two thin nichrome wires have equal length and different thickness. Approximately one of these wire thickness to be double of the other, say 1.3 millimeter and 1.6 millimeter. Connect them one by one in a circuit which has a switch and a cell, and allow the current to flow or for 30 seconds. In each case, momentary touch these wires which were heats up more. Now repeat the same activity with two nichrome wires are of same diameter but different lengths. Provide a brief report of your activity. Try to make an electric cell using various fruits and vegetables. Also try with electrodes or different metals. Prepare a brief report. So स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इस वीडियो को प्लीज़ लाइक करें और मेरे चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें। जल्द से जल्द मेरे सब्सक्राइब बढ़ाइए और लाइक भी ज़्यादा बढ़ाइए फटाफट से, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो शेयर कीजिए। बाय, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं अभी। बाय।